In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Now choose this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!